Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing y'all how I'm making my Jamaican brown stew chicken, and I have some leg and thighs here that I just washed. So now I'm gonna season it with the regular seasoning that I use, which is chicken seasoning, garlic powder, all-purpose, my ginger, pimento, and garlic mix. And need the browning. Some black pepper. Now I'm gonna rub it up. Oh, I have some pepper, onion, carrots, and scallion and thyme. And pour it in and mix it all. So it's looking. I'm gonna let it marinate for like 30 minutes, and then I'll come fry it up. So it's like 12 o'clock now, so come back to 30. Hey guys, I'm back. It's time to fry my chicken now. So what you're gonna do is gonna take off the seasoning, the scallion and thyme and stuff. They don't need to be on the chicken when you're about to fry it. So. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna keep taking it. It's hot in it. Big. But so what you're doing is you're frying it until it's brown, but you don't have to fry it all the way through because you're gonna cook it down. But let it fry. 35, and the heat is on medium. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Let me see if I can turn it now. Yeah. know you gotta test the legs because you gotta poke the legs and see if blood coming out. And once you see that, you just gotta turn it back over to the side. Poke the leg. If you don't see no blood, it's good. It's like the egg will be formed. I don't know why. But still gonna eat it. See this right here? That's good. It's like dark like this. Some more coconut oil. So I could saute my onions and stuff. I have some garlic, so I'm gonna put garlic in there. And garlic. The seasoning soak up in the chicken before I add some water to it. So we go back to cover it up. Turn it down. It smells so good, guys. It smells yummy. All the seasoning soak up in our chicken. Yeah. So now I'm gonna add my water. Water. Cover it up and let it boil. Oh no, gotta add my ketchup. Some ketchup first. Let it boil. Turn it back up on medium. So you're gonna let it cook until the gravy dries down to a good amount that you want it to be. And at that point the gravy should be thick and it should be ready to eat. So you'll eat. Turn the stove, not even on high. Afternoon. I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs. So the gravy is getting thick already, but I'm still gonna let it cook more until some of this water dries out. Cook down. Oh, that garlic on my chicken. Yeah. Alright, that's the cooking. It's 3:50 now, so I'm gonna give it like probably 20 more minutes. 15 to 20 more minutes, then it should be finished. Okay guys, this is the end result. It's now 3:28. And the gravy is thick enough, so I'll just turn it off. I don't want it to dry out. I don't want it to dry out any more than this, so see, it's thick enough. Like that. What is this? The brown chicken. So thank you all for for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm not going to be doing that right now.